everyone, Monique here with Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be doing some crocheted button earrings. And we're going to start that in just a moment. Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be making some crocheted button earrings. So you're going to need a very, very tiny head crochet hook. This one is 0.9 millimeters. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 0.9 millimeters. You're going to need some buttons. Now, I'll tell you a little story behind these buttons. My husband has a work uniform, and when the shirts have bit the dust, I just snip off all the buttons. So I have this whole little bag of buttons, but they're all, you know, just plain old gray. So we're going to use them today for these flowers. You're going to need some ear wires. These are, I believe they're called shepherd hook. Maybe that's the other one that looks like a kidney. Anyway, ear wires, and you're going to need some jump rings. And then just some needle nose pliers to attach the flower. So, you're going to need this very fine embroidery or cotton. It's the kind that you use if you're making those like lace doilies. And I don't have a label on mine. I've had this ball for I don't know how long. I think I inherited it from my grandmother. So it's just what it is. So you're going to take a button. You're going to go through the hole of the button. This is why you need such a small crochet hook. You're going to pull this, you're going to pull the yarn through the buttonhole. Come on. It shouldn't be this hard. There we go. Okay, so through the buttonhole, you're going to bring up your working yarn and, I'm obviously not used to working with such little crochet hooks. You're going to do a chain. Now we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now we're going to go into the next, and we're going to grab the yarn. Oops. Come on. Grab that yarn. Obviously, it's not as easy as it looks. Okay, pull the yarn through the hole. Come on. You can do it, yarn. I'm trying not to go out of frame. There, get it through there. And then you're going to do a single crochet. We're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go into the next hole. This is the hardest part because the button has no give, right? There we go. Pull it through that hole. Okay, and then you make that a single crochet. Oh! And you don't drop your loops. Okay, make that a single crochet. Oh! And don't drop your loops again. Twice. Okay. Single crochet. Then we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and by the way, we're using a 4-hole button. Okay. So chain 4, go into the next hole, catch your yarn, pull through. There, that one worked easier. I must be getting the hang of it. Do it as a single crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going back in to that first hole, okay? Hope I'm in frame. I'm trying to get better at that. Okay, so we're catching our yarn, or not. Catching our yarn, pulling through to do it. Oh, oh, don't do that. So you see what I did there? I accidentally caught my tail from my beginning. So we need to leave the tail but bring the loop. Okay, so bring the loop, and then we're going to use that to do a single crochet. Sorry. Okay, and now we're going to slip stitch into that first space. Okay, now it's going to get easier because we're just going to work the petals. Okay, so at this point, this is what you should have. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to do a single crochet. Then we're going to do a half double crochet. Oops, half double crochet. We're going to do a double crochet. Then we're going to do triple crochet. Now I don't use this very often. So we go over once and twice with our yarn. 2 loops around. Go in the same space. This is all the same space. We're going to go through 2 loops, through 2 loops, through 2 loops. We're going to do 3 of those. Two, three. Okay, and this is our third one. It's all in the same little space there. 2, 3. Then we're going to just repeat what we did, which is a double crochet, same space. Double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. Now we're going to slip stitch into that next. Whoa! Don't lose your stitches. We're going to slip stitch into the next space. Okay. Slip stitch. And now we're doing our next petal. So we are going to do single crochet. Oh, don't drop your loops. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. Whoops. Hey now. So single, half, double, 3 triple crochets. Okay, so yarn over twice into that space, through 2 loops, 2 loops, 2 loops. So that's once. And if you see here, I'm just shimmying over my stitches if it's starting to get too crowded. So that's 1 double or triple crochet. We're going to do 3. 2. And 3. Then we're going to do a double crochet. Then we're going to do a half double crochet. Then we're going to do a single crochet and slip stitch into that next space, slip stitch. Okay. And we're going to do that for all the spaces, okay? So we've just done 2. We're going to have 2 more spaces, and then we'll meet back. Okay, so I've on my last petal, and I've just done my single crochet, and then into this section that we have already made, we're just doing a slip stitch. Okay, we are going to cut. We're going to put our tail through our loop, pull tight, then we're going to hide our threads. Okay, and like I tell you all the time, with hiding threads, see, the back is very neat too. So this is part of the charm of it being an earring, is that it looks pretty on both sides. I hate it when your earrings twist and one side looks obviously not as presentable as the other side. Okay, so I'm just doing my back stitching to hide my threads. Okay. And then this one is coming from the hole. Make sure you go up from the hole that it's coming from, just to keep it that nice tidy look at the back. Then again, just hide your threads. Now this I'm using on an earring, but you could use it on like doll clothes. You could use it on anything your little heart desires. Okay, so this is our button flower. It's just a basic one, nothing very fancy. Now, go make another one, and then we'll meet back and put our earrings together. Great. Okay, so I've got 2 made. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna attach them to our ear wire. So we're gonna need our ear wires, which we have, and we're gonna need, I think, okay, so the loop on my ear wire is straight like that, so we're just gonna need 1 jump ring for each flower. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open that jump ring. We always open sideways. We are threading it through the top of one of the petals. We are putting the ear wire on, and then we're just closing this puppy. Okay, make sure it's closed well. Now, I also make jewelry, so I have like the exact tools, but basically just needle nose pliers. There we go. And then you do the same. So I'm going, basically, I'm not going just where we would crochet because I don't want that pulled out askew. I'm going like beside the post. There we go. Okay, and then you put on your ear wire. If you use the other ear wires that have the loops facing the other way, you would just need 2 jump rings so that your flower was facing the right way. Okay, and there you have it. We just made crochet button flower earrings. Now these are great at craft sales because people are like, crocheted earrings, that's amazing. Especially because a lot of people don't do crocheted earrings. If you want to make it just a bit stiffer, like the crochet part, which you don't need to because these will have nice movement and they're not going to curl or anything. But if you do want to make them a bit stiffer, just spray them with a bit of hairspray. Or if you have some spray starch, just a little bit though, not tons. And there you go. So as always, thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. If you want notifications of my videos, hit the little bell. Don't forget I have a Facebook account. So go to Little Gems Creations 1 on Facebook and you can show me the earrings that you've made with this little tutorial. And you know, feel free to go nuts. If you want to put little beads on each petal, you could do that. If you wanted to make your petals bigger, just add stitches. So if you wanted to do 3 of the triple crochet, or sorry, not 3, 5 instead of 3, or it doesn't even have to be an odd number, it can be an even, you can do 4, but I would increase with the triple crochets. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye now.